Okay, we've decided, since we get so much crashage and breakage, that we're going to start filming now without testing, just in case we only get one run. We put Prolong in Dan's rear bearings, and now instead of 100, it's going to go 120. Oh, I heard you punch it right there. I heard you. If your tires went brrr,
Right,
you fluttered your tires. Too much power. Doing wheelies. It's getting on the wheelie bar. So that's easy 100. I heard it wobbling the tires right here. They were about to fly off the rim. Punch it. Oh! Oh shit. Oh, fuck. Okay, I had to say punch it, didn't I? I had to say punch it. Is it how many pieces?